In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw channels, parallel/equidistant, in TradingView step by step. Channels are great for visualizing trend direction and potential areas of support and resistance. They're simply two parallel lines that frame price action, helping you see where price might bounce, stall, or break out. First, look to the left toolbar in TradingView and find the Drawings or Shapes icon. It looks like a diagonal line with a small square. Click that to open the drawing tools. From the drop-down that appears, choose Parallel Channel. This tool automatically creates a pair of parallel lines so you don't have to draw and match two separate trend lines. Now click once on the chart to set your starting point. Pick a spot that makes sense for the trend you're analyzing, like a clear swing low for an uptrend or a swing high for a downtrend. That first click anchors the channel to the price action you want to frame. Next, drag your mouse to adjust the angle and width of the channel. As you drag, you'll see the upper and lower boundaries take shape. Angle defines the direction of the trend, while width should capture the typical highs and lows within that move. Try aligning one boundary with a series of highs in a downtrend, or a series of lows in an uptrend. Then set the opposite boundary to run parallel across the other side of price. You can fine-tune this later, so don't worry about perfection on the first try. Release your mouse to place the channel on the chart. At this point, you have a working channel you can use to assess how price respects those parallel boundaries. If you want to move or adjust it, simply click the channel to reveal its handles. Drag the center line to move the entire channel without changing its angle. Use the end handles to rotate the angle so it better fits your trend direction. Use the side handles to widen or narrow the channel, making sure it contains most of the relevant swing points without forcing the fit. To customize the look, click the small gear icon that appears when the channel is selected. In Settings, you can change color, line style, and thickness. Pick colors that stand out against your chart background so the channel is easy to see, and choose a thickness that's visible but not distracting. If you need to delete the channel, right-click it and select Remove. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Hurrah!